Hello guys and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I last uploaded now, but that was because of Christmas and everything. So I decided to get back into it now. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fix a little bug here, and we're also going to start working on a economy system for our bot. So let's dive right into it. The first thing we want to do is go to files here and to requirements.txt. And here we want to remove dev from there because the PyCord dev package has been removed. So we'll have to use the PyCord package instead. That has a bit less features, but later on we might migrate to the GitHub version of it. So now we have that done. Let's go back into files, and what we want to do is create a new file. So for our database, for the economy, for now we're going to use a JSON database, but we are going to migrate later on to an actual MySQL database. This is just for development, and I definitely do not recommend using JSON databases in production bots, as they can be slow as they grow and just not reliable. But we're going to use it for now, but later on migrate. So here we're going to just put like that in two brackets like that, squirrely brackets, and we'll name this bank.json, just like that. Then we'll go to files here again and to the main.py. We're going to do this in the main file for now. So down here we can just put a comment economy commands below. So what we want to do first is create a new bridge group, like that, and call it async def economy cdx, and just do pass. Then we want to define some methods here that will open accounts and stuff. So for that we'll do async def open account user. So for this we'll open the account and set the wallet and bank balance of the user to 0, so once they first need it. Here want to do, this is also a method we'll create later on. This will be users equals await get bank data. We have not created this yet, but we will later on. Down here we want to do a if string user.id in users. So if this user already exists in this account, if they already have an account, we just want to return false. If not, we want to do users string user.id equals that. We want to create like a new entry for them, and do users string user.id wallet for, so for the wallet balance we want to set that to 0, and users string user.id bank will also equal 0. So if you want the user to actually start with some money once they first open the account, you can of course just change these values. Down here, below this else, want to do a with open bank.json as right here. Want to do as f then json.dump users f, and want to also return true down here. Now we also want to check so we actually import JSON here. We don't, so we want to do that. Just write import JSON. It's already a part of the Python download. Then what we want to do is actually create this get bank data method. we want to go down here and do async def get bank data and do a with open bank.json, reading it only to as f uses equals json.loadf, and want to return users like that. Then what we want to do is actually create one or two more methods down here, and those will be async def update bank user change equals 0 and mode wallet. So these are the defaults. So what this method will do is basically just update the bank balance of a user, and the default will be 0 and the default mode will be wallet and not bank. But this will of course be set by the commands we run. I'll explain later on. Like this, want to do users equals await get bank data. So we want to get the bank data, and users string user.id, and want to go into mode. So we want to either bank or wallet, and change this. We want to add the change like this. Then down here we can do with open bank.json write access as f, want to do json.dump users f, and below here we want to do bal equals, want to get the user balance now, and this will be users string user.id. Think I did something wrong there. Maybe not. Yeah, I did. Want to do like this, yeah. So here we have users, put another of these, string user.id, like this, yeah, like that. And then we also want to do here, just put wallet, make sure to do capital W, and then we want to also return one more value, so we'll return two values in one variable here. So we'll return the wallet and also users string user.id, and this will be the bank. And then we can close this list, and down here just return bal. All these stuff might be a bit complicated if you haven't worked with these before, but just watch along and you should be all fine. And if you want to just get more knowledge about it, you can just watch a tutorial about Python and JSON or something like that. Then down here we want to do async def set money, a new method with the parameters user change equals 0 and mode equals wallet. So this will allow the bot owner to modify other users' bank and wallet balance. So here we want to do users equals await get bank data, and users string user.id, and at the correct mode. Also we need to make sure this is capitalized like that. Mode equals change, and also with open bank.json write access as f json.dump users f, and also we'll do the same thing as we did before down here. we can just literally go ahead and copy this val equals uses. We don't have to create that again. And below, just return val. So that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll actually start with the commands, and in a later one, we'll migrate to a MySQL database for our economy system. But thank you guys for watching. Again, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you need any help or anything, or just want to chat, make sure to join my Discord server. Link is in the description. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!